Great to hear that you are interested in the possibilities of Winston POS. We have years of experience in the restaurant industry, so we know how important it is that our system runs easily and quickly. Winston POS is a cloud-based system, but also continues to work offline. Winston POS runs on all devices: Windows, Android, and iOS. In the coming videos, we will give you a brief explanation about our point of sale, back office, and kitchen display system.
First, we look at the floor plan. At the top right, we can switch between floor plans. On the floor plan, we can see the status of a table based on the colors. The green tables are empty and the blue ones are occupied. By clicking on a green table, we open an empty table, for example, to place an order. On the left, we see an empty order. On the right, we see products. We click on a product, for example, coffee, to add it to the order. We can also search for a product. After we have finished the order, we press Order. The products will then be added to the bill. By clicking back at the bottom left, we return to the floor plan. On the floor plan, we can easily move tables. We click on Move, select the table, and select the spot where we want to place the table. We can also quickly remove tables. Occupied tables we are not allowed to remove by tax authorities. For empty tables, this is not a problem. We click on Delete and select the table we want to delete. If we have deleted a table, we can easily add it again later by clicking Add and then an empty spot on the floor plan. We can also rename a table or change the amount of seats by pressing it and holding it. Here we can change the name or, for example, the number of seats. When we are ready, we click on Save. We can also move a bill from one table to another. We click on Move, select the bill that we want to move, and select the table. The same goes for combining bills on a single table. We click on Move and select the two bills that we want to combine. Of course, we can also split bills. To do this, we open a table, we click on Split, and choose the products we want to split. We can choose to pay immediately, so that a part of the table can leave, or move it to another table when a mistake has been made. When guests want to pay, we open their table. If something accidentally has been overcharged, we can easily return the products. We click on the minus, go to the order, and confirm. When we are satisfied with the bill, we click on Pay and can choose between cash, PIN, or one of the other payment methods. In addition, we may accept multiple payments on one account, for example, by paying 10 euros in cash and the rest with PIN. Or divide the total amount by, for example, 3, or a specific percentage of the bill. We can also add a discount. So we select the discount and pay the rest via cash. We return to the floor plan. It is of course also possible to pay directly. Click on Order at the bottom right. We choose a number of products and click on Pay.
It can be this easy. Of course, it also works on your handheld, but only on a little bit smaller screen. We only have shown you a small portion of our functionalities, but you now understand everything you need to know to start with Winston POS. In the following videos, we will tell you a bit more about our back office and kitchen display system.